Hi all, so let's learn today about the deficiency of vitamin B12. So are you feeling a heaviness of the head? You are not able to think properly, you are having confusion, you are not able to memorize things and all. And after a good sleep, are you feeling heaviness of your legs and hands, numbness of your legs and hands? So these are some of the starting symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. As you grow old, the vitamin B12 deficiency is keeping on increasing. So let's check what is vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 is cobalamin. So cobalamin vitamin is actually absorbed by the intestine and is released from the body whenever we need it. So it is actually a coenzyme. It helps in the major functioning of our hormones in the body and also in the enzyme functions of our body. So it is an all-rounder. So when an all-rounder is absent, we know it will be affecting our overall health. So what are the functions of these all-rounder? First main thing is that it helps in DNA synthesis. Next main thing is it helps in actually the formation of RBCs. So how it helps in the formation of RBCs? Not only it helps in the formation of RBCs, actually the shape, the formation of the blood cells is decided by this vitamin. So anemia is of different types. So if the shape is not okay, then what we can decide? It is due to the vitamin B12 deficiency. So let's take care of this vitamin. And the third main function is that it is actually very good in maintaining the strength of our nervous system. The entire strength of our nervous system is dependent on vitamin B12. So whatever happens is that the myelin sheath formation. The myelin sheath, we know, it is the external covering of our cells actually, and it helps in the correct signal passage to our nerves and all. So it helps in all of these functions. So what happens whenever there is a vitamin B12, that is iron deficiency? Iron deficiency, we know, we will be having a tiredness, palpitation, exertion, and we will not be feeling okay. That is, whenever we are trying to do any heavy work, we are having that palpitation feeling. And whenever we are trying to climb steps and all, there also we are having this feeling also. And what happens when it affects the nervous system? One main thing is that it is actually affecting our vision, because it is related to our functioning of the optic nerve. Optic nerve is related to the function of the eye muscles. So you will not be satisfied with your eye health. You will be feeling some dimness in the vision and all, dizziness and all. And if you are a person suffering from migraine, if you are having vitamin B12 deficiency, you can experience the migraine attack is coming monthly 4 to 5 times. But if your vitamin B12 deficiency is correct, then you can rule out that you will be having the migraine monthly once or twice. Anyway, migraine is related to the problem with the digestive system. So let it be corrected with the help of an Ayurvedic physician. So in the nervous system, how it is affecting is that we know there is slowness of the things. We are not able to think properly. Our coordination of the body is disturbed. When the coordination of the body is disturbed, what is happening? You cannot walk properly. You will be out of control. You will be having numbness in your body, stiffness in your body. So it is very important. You have to realize what is creating these all deficiencies. So vitamin B12 deficiency, it is actually mimicking many other symptoms. So no other doctors will be first giving you to check about your vitamin B12 deficiency. Not only this, actually you will be experiencing a lot of hair fall. Nowadays, most of the doctors used to write it, vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency and all, to make sure you are not having these problems. So in Ayurveda, what is the method? In Ayurveda, there is what we are believing is that first let's correct our digestive system, because our digestive system, if digestion is not happening properly, then however vitamin B12 tablet you are taking, will it be absorbed properly? No, it is not absorbed properly by the body. So it is very important to correct that. Second main thing is that make sure you are having enough gut enzyme. Nowadays, we know that there is a lot of people are facing a reduction of gut bacteria. So in the reduction of gut bacteria, you are maybe facing with lactose intolerance and all. So we have to correct that also. Third main thing is that let's make sure you are not having any acidity. In this acidity and all, what is happening actually? You may be suffering from this GERD and motion disturbances, IBS and all. So if you are keeping on passing the motion, what is happening? There is no absorption of vitamin B12 happening in the body, right? So let's correct that. So after that, I will be telling you about the foods, because if you are not correcting these and if you are going behind the food, most of the foods you will be taking and you will be thinking, what is the new in this? Okay, so let me tell you about what are the foods that are helping you. Yeah, here let's go with foods like almond, red meat, the liver of all the meat actually. Because the liver of all the meat is containing a lot of vitamin B12 in it. For the vegetarians, you have options like coconut, coconut milk, almond. And to correct the gastric pH, let's go with guava fruit and tender coconut water. So these are some of the food items, and what you have to do is that take fortified cereals also along with this. But always make sure about your gut health, about your intestine health, because that's the base of all the health of your body. Hoping that these tips are helpful for you. Have a nice day.